Hi, Stefan the BMW DIY guy. Really quick, as I always say before all of my videos, if you like what you see, please click subscribe and the little alarm bell because I've got some really cool projects coming, plus this one. This is a really cool project that I got started, man, almost 3 months ago. And I really wanted to take a risk. I wanted to see if this would work out, so I thought I'd take that risk for myself first before I showed you guys. And at this point, I don't even have it out of the box yet. So let's take a look. What we have is a gigantic box that I was able to get imported. What we are looking at is the only GTS carbon fiber hood replica that I've seen anywhere in the world. I could not be more excited about this. It fits F30s and F32s like mine. This is really going to be awesome. So I'm going to start tearing into this box because we've got the shipping crate, because this whole thing came actually on a boat, which has been an adventure, let me tell you. So I'm going to tear into this. We're going to get to the box underneath. We're going to open this up and I'm going to show you what it looks like. So you get to look at this the first time just like I do, because I don't even have it out of the shipping crate yet. So I tell you, this has been a months-long adventure that I get to share with you, but I finally get to show you and tell you what it is, and you get to go on this journey with me. So let's get it open, check it out. All right, so we're down to the normal shipping box that you would expect, not the big oceanic, cargo crate, right? So this thing had to come in one of those big cargo freighters that you see, and I tracked the boat for like a month. That was crazy. All right, so let's open this up. All right, thanks for the helpful assistant there. So packed pretty well, which is cool, and it's on like wooden stakes, so it's not actually sitting on the corners of the hood right now. Like I said, I'm going to unpack this kind of carefully because I want to be careful with my OEM hood once I take that off. And probably the best place to put it is right back in the same packaging. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Will you look at that? That looks really good. Carbon fiber, and I'll do a close zoom up here in a second. Carbon fiber looks great. All the edges are clean. It made it safely. Looks absolutely fantastic. Just fantastic. So let me walk this out a little bit. Yeah. Instead of standing on wooden legs. Yep. What do you guys think? This looks really good. This looks really, really good. So I'm going to lean this up, and then we're going to do some close-up shots so you can get a good look at it up and close. But this looks really good. Actually, I've been totally considering painting this, right? And either painting it, the graphite metallic in my car, the whole hood, or maybe painting it with leaving the center open. But now that I'm looking at it, I might not paint it. All right, we'll see. So let me lean this up here. Make sure I don't hit any staples, anything else. All right, so now I'll come in and I'll give you a really close-up zoom and take a look at the carbon fiber. Looks fantastic, looks really, really good. Design looks fantastic. It's really, really clean. All right, guys, so freehanding the camera. So I'll move gently, but I want you to take a really good look at this. So there's a center vent, which I'll show here in just a second. So don't worry, it's got the center vent that goes with this. So it looks just like the GS or CTS or some of the new competition hoods have these new vents where they're echoing what they did on the M4 GTS, right? So carbon fiber looks really good Obviously I've left the tape on all those upper edges, but if I come back here and look, I mean, upper edges are really clean and smooth. This looks really, really good. So I just could not be more pleased at this point. This was a 3-month gamble that what I'm looking at has definitely paid off. So I am super happy. Let's zoom in so you can see the fiber weave. Looks really good. And then the vent, if I can do this here, goes in like that. And obviously I'm just holding it in right at the moment. But you've got that vent that goes into the center. So let me scroll back here a little bit. I couldn't be happier. This looks absolutely fantastic. And I'm gonna take a serious look at not painting this, which was the last thing I usually do. I usually paint my components, but I might just leave this unpainted, we'll see. All right, so all done. I'm gonna do an install video, of course, because there's some components that you're gonna need to move from your OEM hood, some of the hooks and other pieces. So this really is my unboxing video, so you can take a look at what literally just showed up. It just came off the boat. I hurried down to the port, literally down to the port, had to go through security and all kinds of paperwork to get this and get this box and rush home with it so I could open it up and share it with you. So the other thing I want to announce something really cool. Once I get this installed, make sure that it looks good, fits right, the fitment is dead on, I'm going to offer a few of these for sale. So I've got a great connection on be able to get these a lot cheaper than even some of your average carbon fiber hoods that you see out there. And like I said before, I have not seen a replica GTS or a competition hood anywhere. So I'm really excited. I've worked it out with the manufacturer, but I want to make sure that it looks right, it fits right before anything like that. Now, I've got a lot of fans all over the world. You're like, how do I order one? Give me a minute. Give me some time, okay? So let me do the install video for everybody. Let me get it installed so you can take a look at it and you can see what it looks like yourself, and it'll be on my F32. Then we're gonna look on what it's gonna take to bring in some more of these, and so I can sell them. And I'm gonna start with my fans and the folks in the local enthusiast community here in the Pacific Northwest, because shipping is probably going to be a problem. So it'd be easier if we can handle that without shipping. Now, if we work that out and I can work out shipping here in the continental United States, then we'll probably end up doing that too, but that's the other big surprise in this video, is that I'll probably look to offer these for sale once we get it installed, and you can see what it looks like too. The great advantage of this is you'll get to see what this would look like on your car before you actually buy it. You buy something this big, you buy it sight unseen, and you buy it like I did, and it comes in the box, and you hope it looks good, and you put it on your car, and you hope it looks good. In this case, you'll get a chance to see what it looks like on a car just like yours before you ever make that purchase. All right, so I'm gonna get started on the installation video. I'm excited to show that to you. I've got all these projects that are coming, plus more. So I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Make sure to click subscribe and the little alarm bell so you get the notification for this install video and more. Thanks so much. See you on my next video.